We all are aware of the fact that salt is one of the staple ingredients of our kitchen. But did you know that salt has a treasure trove of hidden, yet powerful beauty properties that help in protecting and restoring your hair and skin? Today's video will discuss benefits of adding salt to your shampoo. Before you watch this video, please take a moment to subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. 1. It promotes hair growth. Sea salt is incredibly helpful for promoting hair growth. People suffering from hair loss are often advised to try sea salt treatment as it stimulates hair growth naturally. But there is an easier way to use salt to promote hair growth. Here's how you can use it. Wash your hair as you normally do, and then take a tablespoon of sea salt and massage it on your scalp for 10 minutes. Wash your hair again. Repeat this procedure twice a week, and you will see results within a month. 2. It helps in treating the problem of dandruff. Dandruff is nothing but small flakes of dead skin cells that form over the scalp and are usually caused due to lack of blood circulation. Sea salt has the ability to stimulate the circulation, which is essential for maintaining a healthy scalp and eliminating dandruff. Divide your hair into several sections and then sprinkle some salt over your scalp. Start massaging your scalp with wet fingers for 10 to 15 minutes, and then wash your hair as usual. Doing this will protect your scalp and prevent fungal growth. 3. It helps you get rid of oily hair and oily scalp. Oily scalp and hair is a result of excessive secretion of the sebaceous glands. You can solve this problem by using salt. All you have to do is add 2 tablespoons of salt to your shampoo and mix it well. Wash your hair using this shampoo. Right after the first use, you will see a noticeable change in your hair. Your hair will become healthier and less oily. Have you added salt to your shampoo? Let me know in our comment section below.